Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the AOC CU34V5CW, a 34-inch WQHD curved monitor designed to handle work, entertainment, and light gaming, all in one clean setup. Right away, the ultra-wide 3440 by 1440 resolution makes a big difference. You get tons of screen space for multitasking, editing timelines, or keeping multiple apps open without feeling cramped. The 1500R curve gently wraps the display around your view, which makes long sessions feel more natural and immersive. Performance is smooth thanks to the 100 Hz refresh rate and AMD FreeSync support, so scrolling, video, playback, and casual gaming all feel fluid. One of my favorite features is the USB-C connection with 65W power delivery, letting you power and display your laptop using a single cable. It even includes a Windows Hello webcam for quick, secure logins. Overall, the AOC CU34V5CW delivers a wide, smooth, and productivity-focused experience in a sleek ultra-wide design. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.